Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Demmmmmmmmmi. I posted some pictures on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at demmmmmmmi.dawn. That's my new Instagram. I still have my old account, but follow me on my main account, please. Anyways, I bought some new glasses from Zeelool. If you're a glasses wearer like me, you know that glasses are expensive. I don't know why glasses are so expensive, but they're freaking expensive, okay? And I'm tired of paying my coin for these glasses and they break. I constantly lose them and I ain't got no money, so I don't need to be paying for them. So Zeelool is a eyeglass company that has all these amazing frames for dirt cheap. Like some of their frames are like $5, $10, girl. So today I'm going to be giving you a little review of my Zeelool experience. I bought 4 pair and I paid a total of $53 for 4 pairs of glasses with prescription. Okay, y'all know I'm cheap and this was like a dream come true for me. Anyway, let's get into the glasses. These are my most favorite, I think. They're called Hillary. I've been trying to step out of my comfort zone, so I got some pink. They're tinted pink, if you guys can see. And I was like, I just love this. I love the cat eye. I love big glasses. I like when the frame isn't too thick. Like if I'm gonna pick a frame, it has to be thin and it has to be not dark colored. Like my usual glasses are black and I feel like they're too dark. But these are so pretty. I love them. They're called Hillary and they look so cute on my little face. Look at me, y'all. Look at me. These are Julliet. I wasn't expecting them to be this bright. I thought they would be a deeper red, like a deep maroon, but they are nice. They're cute. I've been wearing them for about 2 to 3 days now just to get a feel, well, just to get comfortable with seeing them on my face because I'm not too sure about them. But I do love colors. Everyone knows I love bright colors. I love reds. I love pinks. I love all of that. So I think these were a perfect pair for me. And they're like ribbed right here. Like they have some texture. So I think they're super cute. Look at them. I like them. And they have that cat eye as well. So I'm really digging these glasses. They're so cute. And they sit comfortably on my face without like damaging my little nose. Because sometimes when you get glasses, you get like a mark right here. And I hate that. But these don't do that. So I love them. I know I love pink. You saw the Hillary glasses and they were pink. And I have another pink pair. They're called Aviva. I'll put the name right here because I can't be pronouncing all these weird names, okay? But this is what they're called. And they're like more pink than rose gold. Like they're not quite rose gold, but they're pink. I would call this rose gold. I would call this like rosy gold, flesh gold. I don't know. But I love these. Look, 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 look. They're super thin and they don't hide my face. So I love that about them. Like I said, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. Although I do have glasses like this already, but they're more gold than this. They're not this pink color, but I just love the way this color, this soft pink, like looks on my complexion. Like this is made for black girls. I mean, all girls can wear it, but I just feel like it looks good on my brown skin. Last but not least, this is my least favorite pair, and I've also been wearing these for the past like 2 days or so, just to get comfortable with them sitting on my face. These are called Felicia, and I opted for these because I feel like they were the most out of my comfort zone, and they were frameless up here, which I really like because, like I said, I don't like thick frames. But this right here is like a little thick, so it doesn't have, it's not frameless completely. It has the frame on the bottom, but I just feel like this is a little thick. I don't know. I've been wearing them for probably 2 days now. I wore them yesterday and today. So 2 days now, and I'm finally starting to like them on my face. I like that they don't hide my face. You can still see my pretty eyes. It takes a lot of effort to do this little wing eyeliner, so I'm really glad they don't hide that. My experience with Zeelool was really good. So I ordered them on February 24th and they were delivered on March 5th. That wasn't even 2 weeks. I absolutely love that. This is the fastest I've ever received my glasses back. Like a week and a half. I was impressed, okay? I'm easily excited. I probably will order from them again just because they're so cheap. This is not a paid promotion. I'm just letting y'all know that y'all could be saving y'all money because I hate buying glasses. Like I like buying them because I look so cute with them. But I hate having to put out all my money for these glasses. And $53 for 4 pair? Girl. Sis. Boy. Because they do have men glasses as well. Get you some glasses from Zeelool. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at the 200 subscriber count. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at the 200 count. Hopefully when I upload this video, I'll already be at 200 subscribers. But thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!